What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA OpenGL driver error where it says a TDR has been detected or error code 7, the application must close. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar and just type in device manager, find the adapter from here, basically your graphic card, right click into it and do update driver and do search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work, copy and paste this into Google and write latest driver update and then just try to do it from there. If you're not able to do that, or if you already have the NVIDIA app, just double click into it, have it opened up over here, click into drivers, and then basically just do the driver update. You'll see it over here. It'll tell you like what is your latest version over here, and then you just basically install it from here directly. Once you do these steps, restart your computer, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. You just basically need to re-update your driver. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the like. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and Mo Tutorials out. Peace.